Upcycling is a pretty fancy term that I've used for years to talk about our spectrophotometers being upgradable. And this morning I put together an interesting realization in the shower. I had purchased this when traveling because I had forgotten my good one. And this is a perfectly serviceable device, inexpensive, but disposable. There's no upgrading it. Compare it, of course, with my regular one, which one can detach what doesn't really age from what does age. So this is very analogous, perfectly analogous in a very far away type world idea. This is the optical bench. This is the really excellent optics, the spectrophotometer that one purchases. This is the electronics and the computerization. Those will age and they will need to be replaced one day. But if you've got a really good quality main part of the instrument, replacing this every 10, 15 years is completely reasonable. And in fact, of course, this is going to be a much higher quality than this because this is intended to be thrown away. And likewise, this is going to be a much higher quality than this because it's coupled to something that's really good. So when you think about designed and upgradability and upcycling spectrophotometers, think about some of the things around you that are already inherently upcyclable, if you will, and recognize that that's what we're talking about. So if you'd like to explore this more with me one day, please be in touch.